to serve the people.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma has reiterated that the allegations of corruption against the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance government are baseless. Speaking to media persons yesterday, Sangma said that based on the government's inquiry, they have found that none of the allegations have any basis. Asked if there is any threat to the MDA following the humiliating performance of the NPP and all of its partners in the polls, he said that he is looking into this aspect and a meeting was held with the BJP, the UDP to discuss the matter.
Till now, none of these allegations and any kind of based on all the inquiries that have been done, none of these allegations have had any basis. So therefore, it's easy for people to point fingers, but there have to be facts, figures. So therefore, it is not correct to lead to that conclusion. But yes, it's a concern because that's the kind of narrative that has been created. And from our side, as a government, we've always ensured that maximum transparency is there. We are obviously into looking into all the aspects, but I'm very confident. I had a meeting with all our coalition partners. In fact, just now also we were having almost a marathon meeting with all the coalition partners, especially the UDP had come to meet me today. I had met the leaders of the BJP also, and we have all discussed all the different issues.
Deputy Chief Minister and